Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on a Redmi Note 14R. So you have to start by powering off your device, so you have to hold power button to open power menu. And then choose power off option. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. And you will have to let go of your power button when you see a Redmi logo on your screen. So now you have to let go of power button and you have to still hold volume up button. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate, and you have to move to wipe data and then press power button. Now you have to go to wipe all data and press power button again. Then move to confirm and press power button. Now press power button and click reboot and choose reboot to system to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.